Jacob Sanders here with ERA Buyers Realty right here on Smith Lake. And look, today we're going to be touring one of my favorite homes on the entire lake and one of the most desirable locations and easy accessible locations on all the lake as well. This is going to be 191 County Road 215 in Crane Hill right here on Smith Lake in the Ryan Creek area, just right around the corner from Trident Marina. You're going to love this house. I can't wait to show it to you. All right, these are these huge steel doors that are heavy doors. So these are absolutely super nice doors right here. But as we walk into this home, you just check out the view when you get in here. And I mean, you just can't see this well enough through a video just to get an idea. But check this out. This is just unbelievably nice. All open, huge vaulted ceilings with those wooden beams. All hardwood floors. And just the windows. Just check out the windows. You get that outstanding lake view of Smith Lake right here on Ryan Creek. And again, this is a Ryan Creek view that you're seeing right there. So stand anywhere, just about anywhere in the home, and you're going to have lake views. So check out that huge island, those marble countertops, and this kitchen right there. So we've got a gas cooktop. There's your oven and your microwave right there. And we've got the nice hood right there over the range. Plus you get the dishwasher and the island. Now this island's a different color, so it gives it a different flavor. But it's also very nice. And this is a huge undermount kitchen sink right here. That's one of the things I love about this right here. So check that out. And we've got all those tall cabinets right there. And to our right here is going to be a pantry. It's a nice large walk-in pantry right there. Shelves already built in. So let's come back out of here, the pantry, and just look back. Check out that huge living area. This is just gorgeous, y'all. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so we're going to go directly this way to the living area right there. Now look to the left right here before we go all the way through here. It's going to be a massive laundry room. This is kind of the mudroom. That's going to be the garage straight ahead. So check out this huge laundry room right here. Already got the cabinets built in. It is set up for a sink to have a utility sink right there. There's just not one there. But you can put whatever you desire to have right there. And move back out, we've got the large garage right here, and they've got obviously a lot of things stored in here. So let's come back out of here. And we're going to come back out straight ahead. This is coming from the garage. You come in, you got your kitchen to your right with a nice dining area right there that we didn't mention a minute ago. And we're going to go to the left. Of course, there's where we came into the foyer area. Right there. All right, all right, straight ahead, we got a half bath to our left right here. All right, the potty's behind the door. And then to the right here, we're going to go into our master bedroom. And this is a big master bedroom. And you've got, just check the view out of Smith Lake right there from your master bedroom. Just an outstanding view. All right, now coming along, and look, I love the wall. Check out the wall right there. Just something different. An accent wall that just looks great. All right, so look, coming over to our left is going to be the master bathroom. And you talk about an awesome master bathroom. Check this out right here. We've got the garden tub. We can fit a couple people in, and the shower, I believe, is big enough to fit a family of 4 comfortably. Not that you're all going to get in and take showers, but you know what I mean. And check out the nice Marble countertop here in this bathroom. Love the floors, just everything about this home was done right. I'm gonna go right there is our potty room to our right. And ladies, you're going to love this master closet right here. And it is something that you probably always wanted. If you have already, then you don't have to change much. Just check out the closet space. That's awesome. Okay, so we're going to come out of the master bathroom, and look, you can actually finish your shower, take a shower, and see Smith Lake while you take a shower. Is that not what you always wanted? If you've never thought about it, it's pretty awesome to have. So there you go. Check that out. Just outstanding views. We're going to come out of the master bedroom, and we're going to go out and go up the stairs first. So let's go up, and then we're going to go, before we go to the downstairs, we'll go and check out the view from the main level area. So we're going to go up. Okay, so to the left right here, you come up the steps, we got to go right or left. To the left is going to be a ginormous bonus room right here. So you see some angles cut from the roof line right through here, but once we walk through, you're going to see this huge room. You're talking about a room that the kids, you have teenagers, kids, you want to send them off and send them out on their own. This is just a huge room to be able to entertain. They can entertain themselves. They can have a football game, not a full-fledged, but certainly a kids football game. Or watch the football game, whatever you wanted to do up here. Just so many different options you could do up here, for sure. Or if you want to line it up with bedrooms, you got plenty of room to fit just about as many beds as you want to up here. So this is great. All right, we're going to keep going through back out, and we've actually got another living area. I'm sorry, it's not a living area. This is a bedroom, or it could be a living area, whichever you desire to have. So this is a big area that you can check out and see, plus another area that could be a bedroom as well. So if you have a large family and with multiple kids, a large extended family where everybody wants their own space, well, guess what? You're going to have it right here. It's very nice. And also right here, check out this this bathroom that is up here. Nice tiled walk-in shower, huge walk-in shower with a vanity and your potty room. So let's come back out, and we're going to go downstairs now. Again, this is the bonus area that we saw there, and we're going to go downstairs. Okay, we've come downstairs to the main level, and before we go down to the basement area, I want to show you this outside deck right here on the lakeside. Again, love the tall doors. Just check this out right here. And again, they do have the sprinklers going, so we do see some water flying around here. So, but just check this out. So this is Ryan Creek. This is the area to the right here. It's called the Summit Development. It's going to go all the way for probably about 300 yards that way. And just check that out. Check out the view. This full-fledged, almost for full width of the home deck, covered deck right there with the wood ceilings. Just a great place to come out here, drink your morning coffee, come out here and see the evening sunsets. Just check that out. And look, so while we're right here, so the west is actually directly that way. That's where the west is. So our north is going to be back over here. So, and Trident Marina is going to be to our left. I mean, it is a mile, no, not even a mile to our left right there. Yes, very easy to get to Ryan Creek. It's not even a mile, it's half a mile that way, to the left. All right, so now let's go back in. We're going to go down to where would be our basement. Again, you just cannot beat this open concept with these huge vaulted ceilings in this living area right here. Just an outstanding spot. And that is a gas insert right there on that fireplace. All right, so let's go downstairs. The downstairs is just going to be as nice as the upstairs. All right, now to our left right here, we come downstairs. To our left is going to be a huge living area with a little wet bar down here. Just check out this huge space. And these are hardwood floors that are down here as well. So again, another spot just to, you have large families or a lot of guests. You'll be able to have plenty of room to roam and entertain themselves. So through this door here is going to be a bedroom. There's a bedroom to our left right there with an outstanding view out at the lake right there. And to our left, there's going to be a bathroom right there with tile floor, tiled shower with a tub down here. And coming out right here will be the living area again. That's here in the basement. Got that little wine closet right there. And then we're going to go straight ahead down the hall to some other bedrooms. But look at the bottom of the stairs. I know you guys were wanting to know when I came down the stairs. This is going to be a little area where would be your storm area, storm access right here. So everybody, if you have a place in the south, whoops, may not ever have to use it, but you know what? You've got it if you need it. All poured concrete walls. What's the old saying go? It's better to have and not want than it is to want and not have. Is that right? Okay, well that would be perfect scenario for your storm room. All right, so coming out of this, we're going to go to our left, and we've got a bedroom right here with, guess what, views of Smith Lake right there. And we're going to come out of that, and we're going to go with another bedroom to our right here. Just a very nice setup right there with the windows with lake views. And coming out right here to our left is going to be another full bath. Very nice. So downstairs in the basement area, there's going to be three full bedrooms, 2 full baths with the living area. On the main level is going to be the master bedroom, 1 bedroom, 1.5 bath. On the upstairs, it's really got a big bonus room plus what could be a bedroom or 2. You could really have more than 5 bedrooms, but we're calling it 5 bedrooms, but it could really be more. And let's come out right here. Check out this covered area out here on the bottom level of this home. Just absolutely gorgeous. So if you're wanting the place for entertainment, bring all your guests, you've got it right here. Now look, here's obviously the lakeside, but look, let's walk down here even further. We've got a fire pit to our left right here. Sit right here, enjoy the fire, build a fire, tell your favorite Halloween jokes, or talk about your your ex-girlfriend that you used to date that you can lie about that nobody else will know, or any kind of stories you want to tell right there. And also, just check out these rock stairs going down to this deck right here. Again, this is wet because the sprinklers have been here watering grass. So, but just check this out. Brand new umbrella, obviously. Is that not just absolutely gorgeous? And you have your own private boat dock, single slip dock with a swim platform, with a boat lift and a sea-doo lift right there. And again, keep in account when we're shooting this video, the water's down about 8 feet. So just know that the water's down. It's normally going to be up all the way up here, covering all these rocks right here. So this will normally be up. So you see that, but take a look back at the home right here. Is that not just gorgeous? Again, this is 191 County Road 215 in Crane Hill area of Smith Lake, right around the corner from Trident Marina and Trident Grill. Current list price is $1,799,000. It is, over 5,000 square feet, and it is ready for the new owners to get here. So I can't wait to show you this home. If you'd like to take a look at this home at any point, feel free to call me. Again, my name is Jacob Sanders with ERA Buyers Realty here on Smith Lake. You can call me or text me at 205-369-2803. You can also go to my website, jacobsandershomes.com, to see this particular home listed and all the other listings here on Smith Lake. And I want to thank my friend Justin Dyer for allowing me to video his home. And look, if you don't mind, if you would hit that like and subscribe button before we go. We want to keep bringing you Smith Lake home tours every week and educate you as much as we can about Smith Lake so you can make an informed decision whether you're buying or if you're selling. So we want to be able to help you. So again, Jacob Sanders, ERA Buyers Realty. Give me a call. Have a great week.